Redmi K20 has been teased in India. Xiaomi has released a teaser through the Redmi India Twitter account that points to the upcoming smartphone by touting the performance of the Snapdragon 730 SoC. To recall, the Redmi K20 was launched in China last month alongside the Redmi K20 Pro. Both Redmi K series phones feature a Full HD Plus AMOLED display and come with a triple rear camera setup. The Redmi K20 particularly has a 48-megapixel Sony IMX582 primary sensor at the back. Of course, Redmi K20 Pro is the exciting launch that's much anticipated thanks to use of the top-end Snapdragon 855 SoC and an affordable price tag. The official teaser hinting at the Redmi K20 highlights the untutored performance score of the octa-core Snapdragon 730 SoC. It also claims that the new Snapdragon chipset is 40% faster than the Snapdragon 710 SoC, taking into account handsets such as the Realme 3 Pro and Nokia 8.1 that have the processing chip, which was unveiled back in May last year. The teaser shows the Snapdragon 730 SoC receives a performance score of 218625 on Antutu against 18808 scores of the Snapdragon 675 SoC and 155215 scores of the Snapdragon 710 SoC. Similar to the previous social media post, Xiaomi hasn't confirmed the launch date of the Redmi K20 through the latest teaser. The tweet does say that the device carrying the Snapdragon 730 SoC will soon debut in India. Xiaomi India Managing Director Manu Kumar Jain last week confirmed that the Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro will launch in India next month. It is speculated that the launch date could be July 15, which is in line with the recent teasers that suggested a mid-July launch. Also, it is the day when Xiaomi celebrates its birthday in India as it entered the country on July 15th back in 2014. The Redmi K20 price in India is yet to be revealed. However, it is likely to be similar to what was announced in China last month. The China pricing of the Redmi K20 starts at CNY 1999, roughly Rs 20,200 for the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant. The 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage options, on the other hand, are priced at CNY 2099, roughly Rs 21,200 and CNY 2,599, and that's roughly Rs 26,200 respectively. On the other hand, the Redmi K20 Pro price starts at CNY 2,499, roughly Rs 25,200 for the 6GB plus 64GB variant, going up to CNY 2,999, roughly Rs 30,200 respectively for the 8GB plus 256GB variants. The Redmi K20 features a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2340 pixels AMOLED display and has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 730 SoC, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of onboard storage. For photos and videos, the Redmi K20 has a triple rear camera setup that has a 48-megapixel Sony IMX582 primary sensor, 13-megapixel secondary sensor with a wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel tertiary sensor. There is also a 20-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. The Redmi K20 has a list of connectivity options including Wi-Fi 802.11az, Bluetooth, V5.0, GPS, AZPS and a USB Type-C port. Besides, the phone packs a 4000 mAh battery.